Welcome to the eMathsMaster GCSE Student Edition. This guide shows you how easy it is to pass your GCSE with eMathsMaster. eMathsMaster is free of charge to all students at St Helens and Knowsley Community College and is a unique online GCSE maths programme that uses gamification to help you pass your GCSE. The platform is accessible 24/7 and the programme can be used on all devices with an internet connection. You can access eMathsMaster in the classroom, from the comfort of your own home, or even on the go, making revision and learning quick, easy and fun. Using eMathsMaster is easy. Log in to your personalised dashboard using your email address and password. Start at the level that is most comfortable for you, or start at level 1 to get a complete grounding in all of the maths curriculum so that you become an eMathsMaster. The 380 modules, spread over 12 ever more challenging levels, have been designed by specialist maths teacher trainers and cover the latest UK national curriculum for maths. Developed and accredited by the Dean Trust, this covers every element of the curriculum and is an easy-to-understand, logical structure. It ensures every learner achieves GCSE success, whatever your standard at the start of the programme, whether you feel you are a complete beginner or more of an expert, and covers the curriculum up to GCSE Grade 9. Typically, learners that complete levels 1 to 6 will achieve at least a Grade 4 pass, and learners that progress beyond level 8 should be confident of achieving a Grade 5 or even higher. Completing all 12 levels could mean a Grade 8 or 9 and will certainly guarantee a Grade 5 pass. The eMathsMaster method is as easy as log in, watch, learn, repeat. You start the module by watching the animated film that teaches a specific topic, so it is easy to understand. Then answer the assessment that follows the film to ensure you understood the topic before answering the maths questions that follow. This gives you a chance to practice answering maths questions about this topic and will help your confidence build. Having passed the maths questions section, you can move on to the next module in that level. It really is as simple as that. By following eMathsMaster, you will achieve success in your GCSE exams. The Maths Mastery model means that you must pass the previous module before you can move on to the next module. This ensures that every element is completely understood before moving forward. Once a module is completed, you can retake that module as many times as you want, leaving no gaps in your maths knowledge. eMathsMaster will help you make passing your maths GCSE a reality. If you're planning to resit in November, using eMathsMaster is a must to ensure you close the gaps in your learning quickly enough. For more details, speak to Colin Salmon, extension 3354, or email csalmon@sthelens.ac.uk, or speak to your maths tutor.